Welcome. In front of me I have Oppo A54 5G, and today I will show you if this smartphone comes with factory installed protection. And when you take a look on the camera right here, you can find the cutout, and this protection, it comes from the edge to the edge. It's very thin foil, so it protects from the scratches. And this smartphone comes from the European distribution, if you wonder. As you can see here, we got this kind of the foil on the display. And if you want to protect your smartphone in the better way, for example from deeper scratches or breaks, you can apply onto your smartphone tempered glass, and definitely it will be better than this one. And if you wonder if the tempered glass, if you put the tempered glass on the display and you think about the sensitivity, everything will work fine. We used the smartphone with this tempered glass and there was no problem with the touch interaction. And also you can increase the screen sensitivity by activate the glove mode, so for sure you don't have to be afraid of any protection when you put it on this display. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.